Welcome to Understand the Math. In this example, we're given the value of one trigonometric function and asked to find the value of the other 5 trigonometric functions. We'll begin by letting theta be the angle in the lower left. And then we'll make a note that cosine theta is equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. And we're given that is 5/13. So we can now label two sides and then use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. So our adjacent side is 5, and our hypotenuse is 13. So let's call the adjacent side B. Our unknown side we'll call A, and our hypotenuse we'll call C. So the Pythagorean theorem says one side squared plus the other side squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So the side that we don't know is A, so that we'll leave that as A squared. B squared is going to be 5 squared, and then C squared is 13 squared. So this gives us A squared plus 25 is 169. We'll subtract 25 from both sides of the equation. So we have 169 minus 25. That's equal to 144. And then lastly, we'll take the square root of both sides, and we'll get A is equal to 12. So we have our missing side. Let's go ahead and let's add that to our picture. The next thing we need to do is find the other two main trigonometric functions, sine theta and tangent theta. Sine theta, our graph's going to move out of the way. Let's see if we can keep some of it. So sine theta is our opposite side divided by our hypotenuse. So that's 12/13. And then our tangent function is our opposite side divided by our adjacent side. So that's going to be 12 divided by 5. We're almost done. The last thing that we need to do is to find the remaining 3 trigonometric functions. We'll again use the reciprocal relationships. So we know that secant theta is 1 over cosine theta. We're going to have to scroll back up to find cosine theta. That's 5/13. So the reciprocal of that is going to be 13/5. Cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta. And we just found that in step 3. We'll take the reciprocal of it and we'll get 13/12. And then lastly, we have our cotangent theta, which is 1 over tangent theta, which is going to be 5/12.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.